lamin lato kalswani they don't labe ta to panong lung thua.
Hi guys, Rhythmic here. Mabana zo esports de sainan waya BGMI tournament hong ki side ka hina no le tel thei thei le alung lut lut mabana hong tel cha ding in chal na kon bola hi
don kho ko andel ton king na tu na pan ding oh
M4 zo mi kahia mabana hi the first zo esport championship ki saisom ahi na hayuna tel ding ina BGMI player siam tak tak te hi anaki sakhol cha ding ina kahongyen ahi kipake
Mabana organized the upcoming Zoe Sport tournament mo, the first Zoe Sport tournament adia ka Mabana stream di ay kele organize pi di ka ama stream lam media lam himim ka nang ana ball sak di ka tuni ka amawi na baho di ka hiya ay zo ama ka i bang sidia contract dan type ka ba sign pi di nga khat sung dia mo zone khat sung dia ka ba sign pi di nga hoy ka a step apul pai di dan ai gele I mga follow a step pai di dan I qualification apat quarter bang si pai dia ai semi apat final bang si pai dia chi te kha tuni kha va ki kum khom di wai ja nga kha a system ai kele van za detail ba en di dan ka yo. Alright, okay, next.
zo gam zo le ka zun ding kol chan to zu nung
Yo, MKT, it's me. Mabana the first Zoe Sport Championship tournament on kisay so may ina. Yaya BGMI Land event tournament adingin anak kisah holchat dingin kope konye nahi.
chung ka jam ai ken asang pen kan katun ma ka hina thi kom in chile ha swang in namadi kapang pasal.
Yo, it's Young Kills. Mabana the first Zoe Sport Championship tournament kisay so may na nang len ya BGMI Land event tournament tel di nga na kisa ko ding kan ni he
Lamdang na sang mela hoy dan ko
kahile lillo guite kahia mabana the first Zoe Esport Championship kisay so mahi man na ay BGMI event tournament na talding in anak sa chading kon ngi na hi.
Okay, amun katung tawa hiyay ama a streamer a commentator di pena mo hiyay amawin ka hiyay la kahita maka I hiya a PC si dia laptop si bang le kamukina. Alright, let's go buddy.
So ka o chi chang
Mabana the first zo esport tournament BGMI ki side ka hiya ana pang chedin de sang na thukon kha ka hi a host tu dile sangai te hi ki pa ke
zo gam khang son te lua na gam
hello bimon ngai te ka hi mabana zo esport te sainaya the first BGMI tournament kinai ding na hi manina ko ape ana pang siaw siaw ding na kon ngi na hi
tong dam luan siam ngayo mel ma za tam kana in leng zongi
Kay kamin mualang tunglot mabana the first Zo Esports Championship Tournament kisay so mahina hiyay BGMI lan event tournament adingin anaki sakholin anaki hingchat ding kahon nge na hi kipake.
Alright guys, kakiyang at le ka organization esport Zoe Sport adia ka ama official ka live like he'll do the technical and the live stream and all those commenting no he'll be the one that helping me guys ama ka TBW mo Tribal Warrior Gaming he is the one that used to live this one. He is the owner of this channel and he also in his room he also there's a lot of known player like Evo, RIP and all those amaw ka why join YT adele live kinaya ma ka like even like big tournament. How many big tournament did you?
Not that big, but let's say around 3. Like
Okay.
71 lakh prize pool is the maximum.
Okay. Aman ka hon help dia ya tournament na ka official alia ma ka kazat pen like he will be the backbone of this tournament because we are not experienced and he is the most experienced among us and for the introduce like for the short introduction.
Yeah, hi, I'm Boston Zote and I'm the owner of TBW Gaming. And here I have Sangha here. I really appreciate that he approached me for this Zoe Sport tournament, which will be coming up on June 9. Really appreciate it. because I'm not that very professional in live streaming or whatever it is, but he gave me the opportunity for this technical stuff and all, to look after the live streaming everything. And I hope it will be successful in the future as well. So
That's great.
as from TBW Gaming, we will try our best to bring this tournament at the highest level in Northeast India.
Okay. That's good. Guys, it gives me a goosebump, right? Okay. This will be the first time in our locality, like in Lamka. There's a lot of esport event in Mizoram, but in Lamka, Manipur, I don't think there's BGM Island event from the other community as well. No, will be the first one, and we want every support, because we are not the one that benefit. The gamer will be the benefit, and the one that use the area, the whole will be the benefit. The media team will be the benefit, like the Wi-Fi and all those. No, everything will be connected. So we want every support on every communities and every person, like every companies, restaurants, or everything. And we also organize. We also try our best to do this, to make the best experience for gamer, no?
Yeah.
And he will be helping me, and like on the budget, it will be high, because we'll not just do the like online, because we want to give them the experience, no, the LAN event. We want to show them like GN3, like we want to show in the every platform, in the online platform. So we'll try our best. And lastly, I want to say that like we will make a mistake on the, like, we are not perfect, no. Sometimes we'll make a mistake, but there will be the rules, and the final decision will be made by us, the official. Okay, that's what I want to ask. Any last request to the viewer? Like,
Yeah, I hope every community, every teams come and participate this LAN event, because as you have said, this will be the first LAN event in Lamka, that is Zoe Esport tournament. Thank you.
Okay. Lastly, I want to say one thing. This will be the game, like view is that the point of view is that on every, like in this game, will like unite each other on different community. In different community will unite each other, will come from different state or different location, will play together in one location, and it will be the best experience and unity, it will be the most unity thing so far. After so many issues, no. Okay, that's all now. Thank you guys for watching again, and we'll be seeing you on the next Zoe Esport LAN event tournament. Thank you so much. Bye.
Hello guys, Bang Perman here. Kilkat kong Genzwal dio. Zoe Esports 10 BGMI tournament side kunjin. Huaya ka alung lut tele ki lut te ka tam thai pen na ba ki du. Oh. All the best guys.
Hello guys, KKLS Yamamat Kahiya Mabana the Zoe Esports Championship BGMI tournament side kahinawa kopi umalang lutte gaming alang lutte anak isa kolma aking chat dina ya tournament pangtibig dina kaun chia lahi
Sani de yo
Yo guys, it's a boy DSL Filmy. Kung genu le mapana ka BGMI tournament am ding Zoe Esport tournament championship di first time ngai ta viwa BGMI LAN tournament meeting ding zoi thi host pa sangai te kabro pa anatil chatun ngaki te wa support wow guys.
Hello everyone, Navegon Chibay. Mabana the first Zoe Esport Championship tournament ading to Saulo. Iki holim jek diwa Saulo information notice ka kipezek leng si kha diwaya ama sa penina yai tournament sai nadia on support to ay kele video short video hitay na atil to am to man na pangtheya na panpi tel kha atuma ki pathu gen masa amasa kha apay didan tangpi kon gen dia hi tournament adi kha tournament pai didan ai le first of all kha registration ay pandua registration kha tu kha April kha hita May khabul lakin khan ki hong dia May khabul ninga lakhiam in khan ki hong dia wai pat kha registration kha khat sung kha ki hong char din chin wai khat zo chiang ina match tak qualify round pin kha June kha date 9 na ki pan zo dia hia June kha date 9 pin kha i qualify round kha ni li ninga hiamon ki to din team tamdan zilina uchina quarter honi to dia qualify round an ching kelele lungkian ngai lo wildcard khali thei gi ga hia wildcard janga kha i quarter lu to thei wai zo quarter non lu to chang na i pool in hon ki khen non dia pool te kha i hon ki be non diu on wai zo wai te pool a kha champion team bangza hiam team som hiam team gia thiam kha i semi an lu to diun semi apat le team sagi hiam khan ki select non dia pool cha kha ho cha kha final i grand final khan lu to dia group final ka china grand final in ei mauna group final khat ve nei dua wai group final zo chang na grand final lan event tak pin khan ki pan da dia lan event a kha i amuna ki zat so mai le anaki ho pi hin sa hiai bungwal lamka bungwal YPA ho la hia wai kha i lan event dian ni kha ki zat so mai grand final le ni pumlum kha ki hi didan hia wai kha first day kha match giat khong anei diwa grand final lutena uchina second match ai le match thum khong match li khong ai dia wai zo program cosplay chi dia i wai i anime ai kele hiai character te da ki che kha cosplay fashion show kham di dana hia waya din lena na ki khol pa non dua information ai maya uchina final kha anini nin kha program tom to ki zeptel de ziakina ai match pin khan tamlo lo din price hom na match thum khong din price hom nan hingal din wai zo china hia lasiam tom apat le perform nuam tatak le nom lai di dan hia wai zo ni dei to kiton na ticket si khong len ki kat dia hi dan hia asunga kha projector ina I best experience thei di top ina aki kap ke dia wai zo player te kha queue chi dia amount seat number chia ta ki tu dua wai kha ami piten kha amount en ko mai ke le a projector ki kap khia pin in ko ma kha cha I enjoy de dan hiwa wai cha na I entry fee kha I atam ka hi ke dua I registration fee kha tam ki sob lo ya registration fee ai le zathum di dan hia wai chana sponsor kha I ki poimo ma hi ka chi jak chu kha khat sung ki dia hia wai kala kha ads di dia advertisement kha tam pi ki koi dia hia I non sponsor wale no wale omdi wai zo chana lan event changa poster hi taina I hia lim kilang na booth hi tale mo wai tale na brand menu ai ki ki advertise dia I atom to ma khan ki advertise thei to pa khan ki advertise sak dia wai ba na benefit a hi le sponsor benefit khai gen non do sponsor benefit ai le first kha VIP card mo ID card khat nei diwa nau thun na lu thei pot thei am thei din hiwa I bang khat ticket ngai se selona wai jana na sit dirle I VIP section om non dia wai cha t-shirt organization t-shirt logo to kele no ma logo non produce thewia non produce thewale no logo ki koi dia uchi ki ale organization te logo e-sport logo mo zo sport logo khai koi dua I VIP wana khan ki bol sak dana ya wai bana advertisement honi dia wai bana I program hun changa I certificate hiam bang hiam I piak thei akidai le piak thei gi na hiwa I sponsor mabana sponsor kha ki kilamen mama kaiwa I na sponsor udale link mo anwai link ai gele I contact number ai gele insta IG Facebook user IG kha I username te kha I mu thei gi ge de ya hopi thei gi ge di ka ya oi bana I yai huna dia kha I budget kha sang ma I sang ka chi cha chu sang ma hi guys ka chi jak chu khat ni thum li 6 figure bangon hi mo budget ka 6 figure val bangon hin chin wai ja ka val val chiling 6 figure ahia wai jaga kha na sponsor kha ki poimo ma main e kya kha ki tre lo demo entry fee chi khong ai ke le atuam tami chi khong kha a trophy ai ke le a prize khan recoup zo ham ning ka gingta alan event ani pen kha e sponsor akinga ai jakina na sponsor ai anam mukhaten kha ki poimo ma ma hi achia wai ba na atop na dia kon genu tai le hi game yai kimol na lan event ina tu pai le yai player hoi pp ai ke le ina ni tak tenga game kimol I sung ne mu na ni lo mo ka chi sung te ba le yai na game kimol en banga aphat tuam na sidan de khong kha tam pi hi atu la ya e la ka kha I game kimol la ki lung lu thi le platform a sok yang na diom lo ya wai dia dia kha I platform sok yang na a game kimol tung to na kha I bang si dia nek zon thei na ai ke le nek zon thei na ai ke hi le ma ban di sau pi certificate khong ne ma ban di sau pi ni khola e thil on pian khyak thei na bang chi hiam ma sum lai lu thei na I thei kha le cha kon sai wa hia ko adi le hi ke no adi ma hia wa china gin sa ma bang ina e no thil no namun ki host namun te mama ki makiang ting mama in lekha pham phat pi mama de ya wai china mun to community tuam state tuam or mi tuam pau te ki gom khop na game hi football khong example in Wikipedia football khong kha World Cup khong chi khong lekha gam tuam politics bangale kitwa lo ki do thei chi te loi lekha football game honi chanan pai khomon ki mol khoma fair free and fair dewa khan ki mol khomai wai dan dewa community tuam hileng le ki gom khom thei naum sun khat le hiya game si khong fair dewa mo ki taksa ki sukhalowa phone tungto nai kelebang tungto na khaicha ki maingal tua ki mol tua ki isiam na so tua chidan de hiya wai kha hoi ma na khata hiya wai zo the first zo sport kha the first hiya kumteng khat ve be khan ki sai som in nom dia kachi ja to the first sei ja kina wai chu igen the na kya tua pen hon lo chingle anon pen kha hi disa honi dia nuwa pat le support khaki poi mo mama hiya full support wai chana hiya ka short video bol sakte ami nu kon ban gen ke deu dia wai te loi bang le fel thei mama mai wa amau kha e la ka dia artist ai ke le entertainer chi khong wai chana ya tuam celeb chi dia e la ka dia celebrity khat a hi wa wai ten kha un support na et sang nai na video short video on bola wai le ki pa pi mama atom na kon gen u ta hi le ke sumbang si tugin hawina sponsor bang si tugin tam le likha a player di ke likha yai program kha lo ching thelo de ya mo a player di te kha ki poimo ma hiya a player ai khoi chana sponsor wai chana asai ten fel taka kon sai the na diona collaboration non collab pi unga kachi chu official te chi chu final hi chidana mo non pom thewa lekha thil teng kha han fel dia mai dei a hun tung cha ani nia kha pathian le masaka huwa khong no ya le ani nia kha chakhi zo to jul mai dida nei alright hai tengai dia ki lama pat information kon piak dikha information dang na theino pole aling le kon ko dia ikele anwaya kha description lem dia waya kha ki contact thei gigia hiya amabana yai Zoe Sport the first Zoe Sport championship ki mu thei dina nole on damulla pathian hat na to hi mabana Zoe Sport championship dina nakiging leo china chi kon de sakai peace out